Hey guys, Dumexdub here, and today we are going to be playing Turbo Dismount. We are going to start on this map. Okay, I'm gonna pick my car. I'm going to use the ship that goes with this map. Football time! Dun 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 dun. Here we go. Oh gosh, where am I going? Where am I going? What the? Am I shooting bullets in the sky? Let me see what my character is doing. Oh, that. Woo! Oh. Whoa! 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 The whole thing like fell on me. I almost got 10 million. Okay, so let's start back on this level. I never tried this level on YouTube, but this is time. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, here we go.
This meal is so special. Is he actually gonna eat this?
We'll eat it.
So I gotta use this weird fork.
Yeah, weird fork.
Sweetie, you can't use that fork. No, here, it's for you.
Okay, that was bad. Okay, let's go.
Stop messing with me.
No, I'm seriously wondering. To the internet.
Whee! Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, never mind.
Freaking weirdo. Okay, what was that thing you said again?
Oh!
Are you with your parents?
Hypnotize your vacuum is very simple. Your minds are really slow. Like a block of wet.
It's doing exactly like this.
Okay, so
This is ever gonna work.
How do you know?
Because that dance
I guess I could
stupid.
What if it
do this again.
Then you could make your mom forget she was ever mad at you.
Good point.
Ow. Crap.
Mom? Dad?
Okay. Here we go again.
We should make them do silly dances like this.
I like cooking, but let's make a nice ice cream.
Or we should get some video games.
Oh no, 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 no!
Backs like horses.
Let's do something really wild. Like ice cream.
Okay, so I'm going to be doing chair. That is slow.
It feels like a dream.
Okay, here we go.
Texans, it's carving down ice cream. This Timbuktu is fast, but I wish this moment would go slow. Is this real life? Or is it just pretend?
The
thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.